Mycorrhiza are example of option A, Amensalism. Now, it is incorrect because it refers to a relationship where one organism is inhibited or destroyed while the other remains unaffected. But this is not the case for mycorrhiza. Option B, antibiosis. It is also incorrect because it refers to a relationship where one organism produces a substance that inhibits or kills another organism. Option C, mutualism. Now, mycorrhiza represent a mutualistic relationship between fungi and the plant roots, where fungi help the plants to absorb nutrients like phosphorus and plants provide the fungi with carbohydrates. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, fungistasis. It is incorrect because it refers to the inhibition of fungal growth without killing the fungi.